It's my proud privilege to represent my one-year-old school, that is Career Academy Senior Secondary School, situated in Nahan, Himachal Pradesh, a very small town it is. And it is the only school who have been called from Himachal Pradesh here. Due to increasing use of science and technology, today every aspect of human being has undergone a thorough change. जब पिछली बार मैं दिल्ली आया था एक टेली कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के सिलसिले में, तो मुझे जो वेन्यू था वो ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था कि कैसे वहाँ पर पहुँचूँ। मैं पहाड़ी आदमी हूँ, लेकिन इस बार जीपीएस सिस्टम का सहायता ली। हमारे साथ लेक्चर थे मेरे साथ, और जीपीएस सिस्टम के साथ हम सीधे इसी बिल्डिंग में पहुँच गए। तो साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कितनी बढ़ रही है आगे, दैट वी कैन सी। हाउ कैन thus the education be separated from it? There is an urgent need of the use of science and technology in the field of education also. There is now no space of excessive verbalism in the class. Teaching is now only through technology. Out of the 3 parameters, I have taken one parameter, that is STEM in excellence in STEM education. Here I may tell you that we have only +1 and +2 classes in the school, and that too in science and commerce stream. Last year we had 184 students, and this year we have 235 students. It's a small town. I already told you that the students are less in number. For this, for STEM education, we have used a biometric system. Biometric system of education, you know that regularly and timely attendance of the students is very important. Sent to the parents automatically through SMS on the same day. We have installed video cameras in every room, which controls the pedagogical process and maintains the discipline in the school. हमारे टाइम में 1 और 10 का रेशो होती थी पीटीआर की, but now the PTR has changed to 50 to 60 even in some schools, bigger schools. So it's very difficult to control. But one new thing we have added, that is we have the recording facility, and through that recording facility, if the student miss some class, on the next day that lecture is shown to the student also if he wants. Secondly, some lectures by some competent teachers, you know that all the teachers are not equally competent. If we have some good teacher in some subject or some outside teacher is there, we can call him as a guest lecturer, and that is recorded and that is shown to all the students. Next is the parents nowadays expect a lot from the students, from the school, and they have lot of aspirations. So we have adopted a realistic approach. The class tests are held regularly. The marks obtained by the students in a particular subject are sent to the parents through SMS. Moreover, the important is the solution of the questions is provided by the teachers and uploaded on the school website, and that answers can be seen by the students at their home also if they want. We have special support to the brilliant students on the basis of their target, that is IIT or NIT or medical college, NDA, or say the board exam only. We have divided them into separate batches. Multi-choice questions of physics, chemistry, maths, biology are held every month, and under the name Career CAT. We have maths and science corner also. Activity in maths and science are performed in the presence of students. All the students, they sit and they do the brainstorming when the questions are asked, and the activity is held in the school, and the selected students are sent to the district and state level. The competition is held by the State Council of Science and Technology. One more thing we have added in the school, that is here we are all sitting here. एक बच्चा मेरे पास आया स्कूल में, आगे कहने लगा कि सर मेरे को 3,000 रुपए का दिया था गाना कोई, और 3,000 रुपए का बिल आ गया है, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताना चाहता कि कहाँ से लाएंगे पेरेंट्स 3,000 रुपया। Then we thought our cyber class we started in the school for 2 days in a week, and in the cyber class we are telling them how to be careful while using your nets and your cell phones, because due to hacking or malware interest, internet time theft, virus bomb attack, consequences, etc. We told them. We are having coaching and teaching side by side, because recently the government of India changed the pattern that to go to the professional colleges, we are adding the marks of the plus 2 also. So for that, coaching and teaching is side by side, and so the students' time is not wasted. Other things we are doing, the parent search and other things, educational activities, but the following 4 points we are always keeping in mind while providing STEM education, that is effective communication, cost effectiveness, practicability, proper learning and teaching styles. I am grateful to Mr. Raghav Mittal, the editor of the school magazine Watch, Engineering Watch, and also our Madhya Pradesh Board of School Education, who have given us a chance to give our point of view before you. Thank you, sir.
Importance of discipline in school can never be overemphasized. For that you have to have controls. On the other hand, innovation requires a free mind, a freedom of thinking. How do you reconcile the two?
For innovation, so we are actually having the seminars with the students and also with the parents. The parents are also called and the students are also called. In the cyber class also, the parents are also called sometimes, so that they can know everything about the student, about their ward also. So we are trying to have the discipline and all that with their help, with the help of parents and the students are also.
No, that's not right. My question is that when we, on one hand, we need to have a control and we have to teach the students the value of being in discipline. That requires a strict control, and that you are installing cameras, you are having strict attendance systems and all. On the other hand, we require all science and technology to progress, inculcate free thinking among the students. So how the two can go together in the school?
Encouragement is another factor, that we should encourage the students to think properly. For that we have done something new, that whenever there is some test, say the multi-choice test is there, we give them the test and then we tell them those who are getting first 10 positions, they will again be tested. They will again be tested through some other exercise. So there is competition between them to have more tests.
I must congratulate you for a 1-year-old school to be so deeply into science, STEM.
Thank you.
How many beneficiaries do you have?
How many?
How many students are benefiting from it?
Yes, the board of school result was 67%, our result was 97%, and in physics and...
No.
Yes.
What is the number that's gaining from your program?
Yes, last year we had 184 students, this year we are having 235 students.
In which classes?
In plus 1 and plus 2 only, science group.
So you only have...
Science group and commerce group.
Your school is only for 11th and 12th?
Yes, 11th and 12th.
It's not for any other class?
No.
So you draw children from rest of the schools?
Yes, after
What's
10
your entry point, percentage?
percentage of
When the students enter the school? How do you select?
ability.
So where do you get your staff from?
We start from
Teaching staff.
staff is, we are getting from nearby stations, say from Chandigarh, from Dehradun, and we have different type of staff.
Are you a science person yourself?
Yes, I am a physics lecturer.
So where were you before coming here?
I was principal in some government school.
So all these ideas are yours?
Yes, my and my colleagues, of course.
I see. Because I think this could actually be a model for many places.
Thank you.
There's so much that you're doing in this particular area. So you're not interested in the total personality of the child?
Why not? We are interested, so we are holding some...
But you're not mentioning that in
we
your
have mentioned
presentation.
actually the time was less and the bell was going on again and again.
No, you have only, you said in the beginning that you will only be talking about STEM.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Because they asked that you can speak on one point or two or three. So I have spoken only on the one.
I see.
I have tried only one.
I think you're the smartest because the others try to touch everything. Very smart, thank you.
Okay, I think the same thing, it has been already addressed to you, that you are wanting to know about value centricity and future readiness. I think briefly you can just mention now,
Yes, I can mention.
very briefly.
In the value centricity, our morning assembly, it's a mirror, I should say, the day's mirror. Everything is done in the morning assembly and on Saturdays. We do many exercises. For example, we have one is declamation contest and quiz contest, and we have essay writing contest, we have painting competition, we have collage making competition. We are doing here, and in those competitions we are having the value centricity also and science knowledge also, both. And we are having say the test in the whole town also and the whole district also. There we tell the students, we guide the students to have the particular stream, maybe medical, maybe science, or maybe humanities, or maybe commerce, according to their interest in that test. That is called multi-choice type test in whole of the district. And moreover, we are participating in science activity also for science fairs, and our students, they are getting position there. And our student, one of the student, he was ranked amongst top 1,300 students in the country. That was Kishore Vigyani Protsahan Yojana. And our many students, they are getting prizes in the state by science and technology, Himachal Pradesh.
सर बड़े अच्छे से दिखता है, आपने जो भी स्ट्रगल अपने गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में देखा होगा, जो फेस किया होगा, वो यहाँ आप एग्जीक्यूट करना चाह रहे हैं, बड़े अच्छे से आपके करिकुलम में दिख रहा है. बट व्हाट डू वी बिलीव, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप स्टूडेंट should have, because as a mentor, friend, philosopher or guide, so it's a kind of relationship triangle between teacher, parents and student. So what kind of activities or what kind of commitment we are having in this area?
Sir, as I earlier told you that now it's not a chalk and talk method. The teachers cannot be the only dictators in the class. They have to come closer to the children, but not so close that they become the friends or very good friends, I should say. But there should be some distance. But the teacher should come closer to the students as far as the learning is concerned. They will learn only when they are friends. Due to fear, they will not learn anything. For that, I already told you that we have seminars at the school level, and also the parents, we call them from time to time. And even we have given the parents a software that they can know about that what their child has opened today in that. Yes, that,
as far as
that is common. That is common that we have.
So that for that relationship triangle, that
Yes, sir.
teacher, parent and
Yes.
student.
Yes, sir.
It's a kind of
In the first two meetings, I experienced a lot that the parents were furious that this is not being done, this is not being done. But after one or two meetings, they came calm down and everything went smoothly after that.
So you're saying you are having commitment in this area as well.
मैंने ज़्यादा फोकस इस पे किया था कि साइबर लॉ, ये साइबर लॉ जरूर बताना चाहिए हमें स्कूल में. और खासकर अभी हम लोगों को भी नहीं पता है अच्छे से कौन सी चीज़ डाउनलोड करनी चाहिए, कौन सी चीज़ नहीं डाउनलोड करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि यही नई टेक्नोलॉजी है और फ्यूचर में एजुकेशन भी हो सकता है हम सामने खड़े होकर ना पढ़ रहे हैं, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू पढ़ाएं, तो हमें इंटरनेट देना ही पड़ेगा बच्चे के हाथ में. तो हम लोगों ने, सर ने जैसे बताया, पहली 2 मीटिंग में देखा कि ये चीज़ हमारे ऊपर प्रॉब्लम आ गई कि आप तो उसको फेसबुक सिखा रहे हो, आप उसको फेसबुक सिखा रहे हो, कैसे आप कैसे स्कूल चला रहे हो. तो हम लोगों ने फिर उसका एक ऑल्टरनेटिव उसी समय उनको दिया कि हमने कुछ ऐसे सॉफ्टवेयर दिए पेरेंट्स को जो कि बच्चों को नहीं बताए गए, जो उन्होंने लैपटॉप में डाल दिए, जिससे हम बोलेंगे हमने कुछ नहीं सिखाया, कि बच्चा आपका खुद कर रहा है. और उनको पता लग गया, इंटरनेट पे हिस्ट्री जान ली उन्होंने. अगर बच्चा उसमें हिस्ट्री पे डिलीट कर देता है इंटरनेट की, तब भी उसे ये पता लग जाता है पेरेंट को कि उसने एक्चुअली में सर्च क्या किया था. ऑल्दो इसमें भी हम काफी पार्ट स्क्रीनिंग कर देते हैं कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो नहीं बतानी चाहिए पेरेंट को भी, क्योंकि हमें पता है एज ऐसी होती है, अट्रैक्शंस भी होती हैं, तो हम उसको डिलीट करके मतलब रफ सा आइडिया देते थे कि इतने बजे वो नेट कर रहा था, बट हम ये नहीं बताएंगे क्या कर रहा था, वो हमारा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो ये चीज हमने एक एडिशन की है जिससे पेरेंट्स जिनको नहीं आता इंटरनेट उनको भी हम बता सकें कि कैसे रेगुलेट करें, उसको बोलो इंटरनेट करें। क्योंकि जैसे आपने सुना होगा शायद बचपन में जब छोटे बच्चे को बोलते हैं स्विच में उंगली मत डालो, तब भी वो उंगली डालता है। तो अगर आप उसको रोकोगे कि इंटरनेट ना किया जाए तो वो फिर भी वो करेगा, तो इससे बेटर है कि हम उसको रूल्स सिखाएं उसके। इसलिए
ये वाला विजुअल एक्टिविटीज वी आर इंटरेस्टेड
ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी टाइम, मैंने आपका बहुत टाइम लिया इसके लिए, सॉरी।
Presentation from Gear Innovative International School, Bangalore, Karnataka. For the jury, it's page number 52.